In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Gap gift card balance. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you will know exactly how to find out your balance quickly and efficiently. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen, type in the word Gap, and hit Enter. It's crucial to make sure you're looking at the official Gap website. This ensures that your information stays secure and you receive the most accurate details. Now, with the search results in front of you, look for the official Gap website link. It should be at the top or near the top of your search results. Click on this link to enter the Gap website. This step is important because it takes you directly to where you need to go to check your gift card balance. Once you're on the Gap homepage, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here you'll find the footer section, which contains various links and options. Look for the link that says gift cards and give it a click. Accessing this section of the website is essential as it provides all the information related to gift cards, including checking your balance. After clicking gift cards, you'll notice a section called Check Balance and More. Next to this section, there is a small plus icon. Click on this plus icon to reveal more options. This action is necessary because it expands the menu, giving you access to the specific action of checking your gift card balance. Now that the menu has expanded, you will see an option that says Check Gift Card Balance. Click on this option. This step is crucial because it directs you to the page where you can input your card details to find out your balance. At this point, you should be on the page where you can enter your gift card information. Locate your gift card number and PIN, which are usually found on the back of your gift card. Carefully type these numbers into the designated fields on the screen. Double-checking these numbers is important to ensure that you get an accurate balance reading. Next up, after entering your gift card number and PIN, you will find a button labeled Check Balance. Click this button. This final step triggers the system to process your information and display your current gift card balance. You should now see your Gap gift card balance displayed on the screen. This confirmation lets you know your available funds, making it easier to plan your shopping. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully checked your Gap gift card balance. Remember, knowing your balance helps you manage your spending and enjoy shopping without any surprises. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and enjoy shopping with your Gap gift card.